Hi, I'm Ian Woodhead, Managing Director of Anglia Labels. We have been extremely impressed with the exceptional service provided by the whole Domino team. The quality of samples, the professionalism of the demonstration day and the friendliness of all their staff has been second to none. Our complete customer journey has been seamless. From the site surveys through to the installation of the press, the training and now into production, I have never worked with such a professional company. The Domino has allowed us to react to changing customer demands and provides us with the capacity to grow our business. When I look at the print quality and speed of the press and the thousands of metres of production it gets through in a day, it reinforces our decision to go into partnership with Domino. I would highly recommend Domino to other companies thinking of moving into digital labelling.